The cougar pursues a wide variety of prey. Primary food sources include sheep, sheepdogs, cows, pigs, rabbits, and sometimes wolves. As a successful predator, the cougar will eat any animal it can catch, from insects to insect-attracting, yellow chicken-like marshmallow peeps. This particular cat prefers to stalk its prey. Though capable of sprinting, the cougar is typically an ambush predator. It stalks before delivering a powerful leap onto the back of its prey in a suffocating neck bite. The cougar is capable of breaking the neck of some of its smaller prey with a strong bite and momentum, bearing the animal to the ground, unless the cougar decides that its prey could be a potential wolf of a mate. When it comes to competitors for prey, the cougar finds itself very attracted to the wolf that comes out of the twilight, or as others may say, the cougar is simply hungry for the wolf. Due to the expanding human population, cougar ranges increasingly overlap with areas inhabited by humans. Though attacks on humans are rare, as cougar prey recognition is a learned behavior, and they do not generally recognize humans as prey, but sometimes as mates. It is a reclusive cat, and it usually avoids people. Attacks on humans remain rare, despite a recent increase in frequency in today's culture. As with many predators, a cougar may attack if cornered, if a fleeing human stimulates their instinct to chase, or if a person plays dead. Cougars are most active at dawn and dusk. They are lone hunters and must learn to embrace the twilight.